Hello and welcome to Global Sources Live. My name is Tom and I'm your host for a new Analyst Choice episode. Analyst Choice is where we identify trending products, in-demand categories, and then we talk to suppliers of those product categories and get them to tell us about the key features and need-to-know information related to those things so that you, the buyer, can get the market intelligence and product information that you need to make the right sourcing choices. Today's stream is a Jiangsu sourcing special in tandem with our Jiangsu online show that's happening at globalsources.com and on the mobile app right now. And the topic is electronics and outdoor equipment. We have 4 different suppliers lined up for you to see today. And here are some video intros to them so you know what's coming up later. First off, let's take a look at Suzhou Moland Technology, a specialist in USB and other cables.
Hi. We are Curly Technology Development Company. We have 4 production bases. Let me show you. Okay, now first, let's take a look at one of the production workshops. This is our complete production line process, which including automatic cutting, stamping, tanning. Now, behind me are automatic laser cutting, threading, UV gluing. All our processes are very detailed. Now the name of the process we come to is called overmolding. The following is a function test, appearance test. The last part is packing. A second factory is under construction.
All right, next in the running order is Suzhou House Clean Electric Appliance Company, who manufacture vacuum cleaners for use in the home.
Suzhou House Clean Electric Appliance Co. Ltd. is specializing in developing and producing the vacuum cleaner with ISO and BASE approval products with the patent and safety certificate. We are a professional home appliance manufacturer established in 2017 and located in Zurich. Factory annual production capacity is around 1 million pieces of vacuum cleaners, mainly for exporting with OEM brands. We are proud to be the expert in vacuum cleaner area. Successfully completed lots of customized projects, designed and developed products with our own independent intellectual property rights. We have about 10,000 square meters factory including 3 assembly lines, 120 workers. We have over 30 stable suppliers with fast response speed, cooperation more than 10 years. Of the lab and experts, engineers with over 10 years average experience engaged in this industry. Factory has established a reliable business relationship with many well-known brands and retailers across Europe and United States. Over the years, with the business philosophy of professional and trustworthy, under the guidance of the quality policy of quality first, earning respect best, the company has strictly controlled all aspects of the products, from all process of product life cycle. House Clean enjoys high recognition and reputation of our customers for all of the ability, high quality, on-time delivery, and good service. The products have enjoyed good reputation for high quality and low failure rate among our customers. Houseclean will always focus on the customer and continue to develop and produce more and better vacuum cleaner products. To meet and exceed the needs of cleaning, smart cordless vacuum cleaner Mate 40. With LED touch display which monitor cleaning status, battery levels, and suction performance. Smart sensor technology detects hidden dust and debris, and auto-adjusts suction power in real time for longer runtime. Digital motor with high speed to ensure the efficient cleaning. Motor as the mop is optional for all models. Long traverse nozzle could use to clean sofa, wall aperture, car. Big 2-in-1 nozzle is easy to clean the window ledge, desktop, furniture surface, and car mat conveniently. Many accessories are optional, like flexible hose, mini motorized brush, and so on. Easy to empty the dust cup with washable HEPA filter. We have many vacuum cleaner models. Welcome your consult.
Okay, next up in our quartet of short promos, Nanjing Jiangsu New Material Technology Development Company. They make fences to custom order, and here's a little intro to that. Fourthly, let's take a look at Nantong Weis's New Energy Technology Company Limited.
Nantong Weis's New Energy Technology Company Limited is located in the beautiful Nantong City, Jiangsu Province, which is near to Shanghai. Weis's is a Chinese photovoltaic new energy manufacturer certified by the International Certification Facility (SGS). Weis's also passed the ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification and implemented ERP warehouse management. Mainly produces photovoltaic modules, solar inverters, controllers, energy storage and mobile power supplies, and solar off-grid power gen. Aeration systems. Weis's has several domestic advanced component production lines and more than 10 solar inverter R&D engineers. We have depth cooperation with customers from more than 30 countries from regions such as Europe, America, Africa and Southeast Asia. To provide them with high-quality products and competitive prices. Over the years, our company has always adhered to the business tenet of survive by quality, develop by credit, and benefit by service. With a professional technical team, from product design, mold manufacturing, molding to product assembly, strict quality control and quality testing are carried out on each link. Weis's always implements the concept of customer value creation to meet the needs of different customers, and provides customers with solutions and technical support, and constantly explores innovation and strives for excellence. Our goal is to develop, manufacture and supply reliable and cost-effective photovoltaic power generation solutions around the world. Look forward to communicating with you.
that's what's coming up. But first of all, let's say hello to our supplier guests. And we will begin by bringing on screen Jenny from Suzhou Moland Technology. Jenny, good morning.
Hello, how are you? Hi.
Yeah, I'm doing very well. Thank you for joining us today. I know you're a busy person with valuable time. So you're calling us from Suzhou today, is that right?
Yeah, Suzhou Moland Technology.
And so what kind of products does your company make?
Made in USB cables, such as like this USB cable.
Okay. Very nice. All right, we'll look at those in more detail very soon, first of all, in fact. But before that, let's say hello to our second guest from Suzhou House Clean Electric Appliance Company, and that is Sophia Chang. Good morning. Hello.
Yeah, good morning. Good morning.
Hi, you're also in Suzhou, right? So
yes.
Maybe you guys are quite close to each other. I don't know.
Yes. Also, I call from Suzhou and near the journey.
Yes. And can you tell us about what kind of products your company supplies?
We mainly do the vacuum cleaners for house using. Vacuum cleaners. Yes.
Vacuum cleaners. Very nice.
Yes.
All right. So again, we'll learn more about that in due course. But first, let's say hello to Tina from Nanjing, Jiangsu, her new material technology development. Tina, hi.
Hi, this is Tina.
Hi, Tina. Nice to see you today. So you're not calling from Suzhou. You're in the historical capital of Nanjing. So how are things there? I think she lost it. Can you tell us about what kind of products that your company makes?
Yeah, we are producing products such as laser. Yeah.
Oh wow, you've got a fencing sample right there. That'll be something to look at soon. And last but by no means least at all, we have Chris from Nantong Wyse's New Energy Technology. Hi, Chris.
Hi.
Hey, thank you for being patient. You're going to have to be patient in a little while as well, because I think you might be last in line for your one-on-one interview. But can you quickly tell us the kind of products that Wyse's manufactures?
Our company is located in Nantong, beautiful city, and we produces photovoltaic solar modules.
Interesting stuff. So that is for us to look forward to. But for the time being, we'll say goodbye to 3 out of the 4 of you, and we'll have a talk with Jenny first of all about Suzhou Moland Technology and the products they make. So Jenny, don't be nervous, but you're first in line. You're also muted. Okay, now you're okay now. So just to get us started, to give us some background for the buyers who are watching, can you tell us what are some of the in-demand types of cables or connectors that buyers should be looking for? What kind of products should they source in 2023 to sell into different markets? Jenny?
Hi, hello.
Hello.
Sorry.
I'll repeat the question. So can you tell us what are the in-demand kinds of cables and connectors that buyers should be looking to source for 2023?
Okay, now let me introduce our company.
Okay.
Okay, this is Jenny from Suzhou Moland Technology, and we have been producing and developing USB cables for more than 37 years. And we have 4 production bases, which located in Jiangsu, Anhui, Hubei, Guangdong province. So actually, we have 4 production bases. Yes, let me continue.
Sure.
And yes, and our main products are MFI cables, Type-C cables, 3-in-1 cables, micro USB cables, and so on. Also, and our cables meet CE, FCC, RoHS certification standards. And our main markets are Europe, North America, Australia, and so on. Because we are manufacturer of the USB cables, so we can accept the OEM and ODM. And today I will introduce MFI certification. Yes, MFI certification made for a product specially developed for Apple devices, and MFI is a test standard set by Apple for iPhone, iPad, iPod, and Apple Watch accessory manufacturers. The MFI certification label is printed on the product packaging, and which means that it has passed officially testing and authorization. With MFI certification mark, it means that the product is guaranteed in the following aspects: the software system. Each MFI product needs to have built-in system such as officially designed security control chip, internal meter reinforced production structure, and stable hardware materials. MFI products needs to pass the 3 official strict adults, in addition to the product itself being stable, and the manufacturers permitting the application must have a good reputation, and Apple accepts the warranty. If the device is abnormal due to the use of the MFI products, the Apple side accepts the warranty. Otherwise, they do not provide warranty. And we are 100% MFI product certificated. So if you are interested in our products, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.
All right, that's fantastic. I did not know that about the Apple warranty element. That seems like it's important to tell customers about. Do you have some examples of your recent products that you'd like to show and share with us?
Yes. This is our catalog about our USB cables. We have 13 years experience, such as like this, our main products, and our main products are MFI USB cables, just as said, the C2, yes, C2 Lightning, and A2 Lightning. Last one is 3-in-1 cables, 3-in-1 can USB A2 micro to C2 Lightning, and still we can accept the OEM and the ODM. Okay. Yes.
Right.
Now, yes. Now we have very big discount. It shows on the screen. Okay. Next one.
Okay.
Yes, made for iPhone, iPad, iPod. We can insurance. We are 100% MFI certified USB cables. Yes, we have many certifications. Our products. Yes. We have 4 production bases, and we can accept the OEM and ODM. Yes, it shows USB produce the USB cables produce. Yes. Yes, that's all.
Okay, thank you very much. And just to clarify, for beginner level sourcing buyers who might be watching, OEM and ODM basically means that you have the option to kind of buy off the shelf from the company and have it branded for your own purposes, or you can bring in your specifications and that designed for you. So thank you very much, Jenny, for introducing us to your products. And goodbye for now. Thank you. So next up, let's go from cables and connectors to another kind of consumer electronics, namely home appliances, specifically vacuum cleaners, and talk to Sophia from Suzhou House Clean. Hi, Sophia.
Hi.
Oh, I think there you are. Okay. So, okay. First question is just if I can ask you a little bit about maybe trends in home appliances. What kind of products in terms of vacuum cleaners, especially, are in demand? What are a good kind of product to source at the moment, or maybe for early next year?
Maybe for the vacuum cleaner area, I think there will be not a big change. Maybe the similar models like currently, but maybe we can add some extra function and add the weight for the currently the only for the dry use. Maybe next we will add the wet use into the vacuum cleaners. So in the next year, maybe wet and dry, and in the currently dry use will
Okay,
be.
that's something to look out for. Yeah, I would have been surprised if you said there was a big change in vacuum cleaners because the function should be more or less the same. But well, so I mean, before we take a closer look at some of your products, would you like to introduce your company a little bit? Tell us maybe some of the background and some of the capabilities that you have now.
Okay. Let me introduce our company briefly. Actually, our company Suzhou House Clean, which is a factory specializing in developing and producing vacuum cleaners. We are a professional home appliance manufacturer, and we also obtained with ISO 9000 and BACI approval. And nowadays, we have 3 production lines, 120 workers, with the production capacity of 1 billion units every year. We also have the R&D lab and express engineering with 10 years average experience engaged in vacuum cleaner industry. Also, our products also get the certificates of CE, CB, EMC, KC, ETL, FCC, and ROS. Our factory have established a reliable business relationship with many well-known brands and retailers across the world. Nowadays, our factory also enjoys the high recognition and the reputation of our customer from the R&D ability, high quality, on-time delivery, and good service. Yes, thank you.
All right,
That's
thank
all.
you for that. Thanks for that intro. So that's the background. Let's get to the fun part and see some examples of your different products, and maybe you can point out those extra features that will make them more attractive to customers to buy.
Okay. Here is our newest model, the most popular Mate 40, and this model, which is a smart cordless vacuum cleaner. But why it is smart? Because this model have the detector on the main body, which can adjust the motor power automatically according to the dust amount. Okay, let's go ahead. This model also assembled with big round LED touch screen that can monitor the cleaning states, battery level, and the failure indicators. You can see on the screen there's 3 failure indicators. The first one is a roller block indicator. The second is over temperature indicator, and the second is air dot block indicator. That means when the corresponding fault happens, the corresponding indicator lights will be on. So when this statistics happens, the customer should know what they can do and will be more convenient to use. Let me explain the function of the 3 indicators. For the first one, the roller block indicator. That means when the roller is blocked by something like the hair, pet fur, and so on, then stop the talking of the brush. The light will turn on and advise the customer to cleaning. And second, the over temperature indicator. This indicator will flash when temperature is too high when charging or discharging. At this time, the customer should be cool down the unit until the indicator return to normal. And for the second, the air dot block flash. That means you need to cleaning the dust cap or the tubes. Maybe it's too many dust inside. You need to cleaning now. And for the next, you can see the icon auto. When you press the auto, you can switch to the auto mode. This mode is the smart mode. When you're in this mode, the model can detect the dust amount automatically and adjust the power automatically. So it will be very, very convenient and prolong the working time. Okay, and then next, we will to show the motor. I think we show next page. Yes, it's assembled also with the digital motor power of 400 and 450 watts with the RPM 125,000 RPM with the KPA 25 to 30. It's very strong suction power. Yes. For the next, it's our filter systems. Yes, Mate 40 have 5 for the filter systems. For these 5 layers, this technology can remove the dust and ensure 99.9% the exhaust air purity. So the backless vacuum cleaner HEPA filter can wash, improve the performance of the Mate 40 and prolong its life. And for the next, the model also very light for the woman or the children use. Sometimes maybe you can take it like a toy to the children to use. Very, very funny.
Yeah. It's a good idea. Get them to help out around the house.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. For next, the model also added the anti-static beads on the handle. It can to prevent the anti-statics when influence when the using. It's our special point on the vacuum cleaner since most models do not add this inside. We focus on the details, so we add it inside.
Yeah, interesting.
Okay, and for the next, it's the shortage. You can put all of the accessories, the models, the tubes on this one free standing hold. No need to drive a hole in the wall, and you can remove everywhere, and it's very inconvenient.
Yeah, that's good. I'm forever finding the adapters for vacuum cleaners that I no longer own because I put them in storage somewhere and then forgot about them. So that's
yes. Okay. For next, we provide the different colors. We can do any color for customer, and for any other colors, they only can provide the Pantone number, and we can customize. Yes. And okay, that's all.
All right.
That's all. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, and looking forward to cooperation.
Yeah, no, thank you very much for sharing that about, as you say, the basic function of a vacuum cleaner is always going to be the same, but it's great to see those kind of what they call quality of life improvements. Yeah, no electric shocks, easy to keep all the bits and pieces that are accessories for it and so on. So thanks for sharing that with us.
Yeah,
all right. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to go from indoor home appliances to the great outdoors, or at least outdoors as far as the fence, as we are going to talk to Nanjing Jiangsu, her new material technology developments, Tina, who has some heavy duty products to share with us and some knowledge about fences. So hi Tina, how are you doing?
Hi Tom. I'm fine.
That's good. Thank you for being patient and waiting during the other guest segments. So you're calling from Nanjing today, is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice. The historic capital, formerly of China. So can you give us a little bit of background about your company and your products that you make?
Okay. Hello everyone, this is Tina. I'm from Nanjing Jiangsu. Yeah, our company main product is metal fence and steel fence and vacuum fence and other metal products. And we are focused on metal fence over 12 years. Yeah, our factory has 2 automatic producing lines, ensuring customer flexibility and over 5,000 meters fence production ability per day. Also, we have one research and development team to make sure over 20 new products per month. So please feel free just to share your requirements with us. We can provide free design and free samples for you to check our quality. Yeah.
All right. I mean, wow, 5 kilometers of fencing per day. That's a lot. And so for the R&D department, does that mean that a customer can kind of come to you with their application, like they know where they want to build a fence, but they don't necessarily know what design they should use, and you basically help them solve that problem?
Yeah. I want to share you some of our fence samples.
Yeah. Please do.
Yeah. First, let me show you one of our products, and this product we call the flat top fence, and this is 3 rears. You see, 1, 2, 3, and please check this. This rear size is 40 millimeters. This is galvanized steel tube, and please check. This is the thickest. Yeah. And one thing I want to show you clearly. Yeah, this is our welding quality. This is 4 size welding, and please check this surface. And we use special treatment to make sure this smoothly and no cups. Yeah, and please check this post. Yeah, this poster cups and the brackets. The brackets function is connected with post and panels. So now we finish one fence. Yeah, let's check. Okay. Okay, Tom, is there any other question you want to check this fence? Are you clear?
No, I don't think I have any follow-up questions about that fence. Would you like to show us any other models that you've made recently that are popular?
Yeah. This is our second samples. Our second samples, and this sample is different from that one. Yeah, this is our customer special requirement. Let's check this decoratives. This is built up. This is built the aluminum material, and this toaster cups is the customer's special requirement. Yeah, and please check this. This decorative is all handmade by our workers. Yeah. So and also check here. This costs best flat, and it can fix on the ground by the screws. Yeah.
Oh, okay, so you don't have to sink it into the ground. You can just put it like screw it flat onto something solid. Okay, and all those are special features requested by a customer. So that's a great example.
Yeah.
Okay, so all right. Well, thank you for sharing those examples with us, Tina. And yeah, thank you for sharing your valuable time. And I hope you pick up a few inquiries from interested buyers from this video. Thank you, and goodbye.
Bye.
Okay, I think we got it right. Tina, thank you so much for doing it. I think we have enough. We'll be able to attach them together.
I think we should be okay.
Really good. By the way, I just want to say I really like your jacket, your coat. This is the coolest costume in this, broadcast. Yeah, thanks for your time, and we'll let you know the link and stuff to see the final video when it's ready, and you can share it with friends and clients and stuff. So really appreciate it. Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks. All right. Bye-bye. All right. So now we come to our, as I said, last but by no means least guest, which is Chris from Nantong Oisa's new energy technology company, who make, as I understand it, photovoltaic solar energy products, which I don't entirely understand, but I think Chris will explain for us. Hi, Chris.
Hi.
Hi. And so, yeah, you're from the city of Nantong. That's maybe less famous to overseas buyers. Could you briefly tell us maybe where that is? Where is Nantong? Obviously in Jiangsu province.
Yes, Nantong also in Jiangsu province, and it's near to Shanghai.
Okay, understood. And so, just as a bit of industry background, what are the most in-demand kind of solar power related products or outdoor power supply products that buyers should be looking for, that their customers will want to buy in maybe 2023?
The most products they need is off-grid power system and some inverter, solar inverter.
Okay, interesting. So, well, before you show us some examples, maybe of those in-demand products, could you tell us a bit about your company and the products that you specialize in?
Oh, okay. Nantong Oisa's new energy technology company is located in beautiful Nantong City, and Oisa is a Chinese photovoltaic new energy manufacturer certified by the International Certification Facility (SGS). Oisa is also passed the ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification and implemented ERP warehouse management. Mainly produces photovoltaic modules, solar inverters, controllers, energy storage, and mobile power supplies, and solar off-grid power generation systems. Oisa has several domestic advanced component production lines and more than 10 solar inverter R&D engineers. We have depth cooperation with customers from more than 13 countries from regions such as Europe, America, Africa, and Southeast Asia. And we can provide them with high quality products and competitive prices. And we can support OEM and ODM, so we can customize products. That's all.
All right, fantastic. And well, I presume that you've got a couple of products that you'd like to show us specifically. Maybe you could talk us through them and explain their features or their key selling points.
Yeah. This is our profile, company's profile. And the next one. And the left side shows some part of Oisa's owners, and the right side shows our products can mainly used in these 6 areas. And the next one. And Oisa believe in a fate cooperation can make both of us win, so we call it win-win cooperation. And the next one. Okay. And this picture shows that our project distribution. And the next one. And the following steps, I will introduce our mainly selling 3 kinds of products. Next one.
Great.
And first of all, this is our power frequency sine wave inverter, and it has 6 kinds of protection functions. So it's very safe, and it has intelligent temperature control fan to keep it in a stable situation. And the sine wave inverter suits for positive electrical applications such as television, fridge, and water pump. And all of our products have C certification. And the right side is the details of inverter catalog. And the next one.
I see.
And secondly is our portable solar power station. And this is the picture. And the next one. The portable solar power station has the same protector functions as the inverter, so it also can keep it safe. And it can be used in farm, caravan, and many other places where need electricity. And its output sign also is sine wave, and it can make voltage keep stable. And so it won't hurt our home applications.
Right, right. Won't burn anything out with it.
Yeah, and it's very easy to move it, so we can bring it when we go traveling and camping. And that's why. And here is it's 6 clear advantages and 6 protections, and it's the details. Next one. And if you buy our mobile power station, we will give you a 18 voltage and 115 watt solar panel. It's free, so you can use it to charge our batteries in the sunny day. Yeah. So you can, the sunlight is clean and endless, so it's clean power.
For sure.
Yeah, that's one. And the third is our off-grid power system. Yeah, next one. Yeah, actually the sunlight power is clean and endless, and our system can be installed on almost everywhere. You can install it on the roof, on the mountain, on the ground, almost everywhere. It just need a little big area. And the left down side picture shows that our off-grid system, how it works. And our system can be customized by buyer's need, and so it's a customized product. We also sell sets, but before selling, our engineer will contact buyers to confirm whether it's suitable.
Right. So you won't just take people's money and ship the product unless you're sure it's going to work.
Yes.
That's good.
And the next one. And this picture shows one of our cases, and this shows the way we put the pellets on. And this one. And this is the 4 biggest cases our company in China. And next one. Oh, that's all. Thank you.
All right. No, thank you very much. That's fascinating. Almost a bit surprised by the different scales that you can make these power solutions work for. From a caravan to a massive kind of solar farm. So thank you for sharing that with us. And I'm sure. Well, I hope that the buyers will get in touch with you to make further inquiries about the products from WeSys. So thank you and goodbye, Chris. Thanks. Bye. So there we go. 4 quite different categories of products, but more or less tied together by the electronics and outdoor topic. So if you're interested in products from any of these suppliers, you can go and visit them online at globalsources.com or via the app. Just click their links you'll find next to this video where you're watching it. And you'll go directly to their supplier page. You'll see all their products, and you can contact them directly through the little communications text box down the bottom. But this stream is also part of the Jiangsu online show that's currently ongoing at globalsources.com. So do check that out as well, where you'll find a panoply of quality suppliers from Jiangsu province across a whole range of different product categories. Quite commonly, you will find, as you heard from our supplier guests today, that customization and working with the client are a key differentiator for these suppliers to make sure that they are not just selling you any old product and making a deal and closing a sale, but kind of making sure that you're getting the right products for your end user, your customer, getting as close to that perfect solution as they can. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all the other social media things for future updates from Global Sources. And until next time.